Hi nurses, another nursing mnemonics video for you for today, because on this video I'm gonna give you the easiest way for you to remember the 5 C's of your hypertension complication. If you wanna know more about that, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is GALVE and I'm a registered nurse and I do have a degree in medical surgical nursing. I create nursing educational contents to help nursing students with their studies. If that's something that you are interested in, consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber though, thank you so much for your love and support. I see you. I upload my nursing educational content 2 to 3 times in a week. Don't miss that out. Subscribe now. Hit the notification bell so that you will be the very first to watch my newest uploads. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends because that will really help me know that you like to see more contents like this. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hi nurses, for today we are going to discuss about the 5 C's of your hypertension complications. I'm gonna give you the easiest way for you to remember the 5 common diseases that is associated with your hypertension. In order for me to do that, I will need to switch back to my PC and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi everybody, welcome sa ating formal discussion ng iyong hypertension. Yes, this is another nursing mnemonics video for all of you guys. And for today, we are going to talk about the 5 C's of your hypertension complications. I will make it easier for you guys to remember the complications of hypertension. So let's begin our discussion with our objectives. We're going to define hypertension and we're going to discuss the complications of your hypertension. Alright, so let's answer the question, what is hypertension? Now, high blood pressure is a common condition in which a long-term force of the blood against your artery walls is high enough that it may eventually cause health problems such as heart disease. Blood pressure is determined both by the amount of blood your heart pumps and the amount of resistance to blood flow in your arteries. The more blood your heart pumps, the narrower your arteries, the higher your blood pressure is. You can have high blood pressure or what you call hypertension for years without any symptoms, you guys. Even without symptoms, damage to blood vessels in your heart continues and can be detected. Uncontrolled high blood pressure increases your risk of serious health problems, including heart attack and stroke. High blood pressure generally develops over many years and it affects nearly everyone eventually. Fortunately, high blood pressure can be easily detected, and once you know you have high blood pressure, you can work with your doctor to control it. Yes, ito yung mga pasyente nating nagme-maintenance na. Now, I actually created like a discussion about your stroke. If you haven't watched that, I'll be putting it on the links, okay? Now, we're gonna discuss the complications of your hypertension. Paano mo nga ba mas maaalala kung ano-ano yung mga pwedeng maging komplikasyon ng uncontrolled hypertension sa iyong pasyente? Now, I want you to take a look at this. Hypertension complications. Diba sabi ko 5 C's? Ito siya. The 5 C's of hypertension complications. Let's begin. The first C, the coronary artery disease. Now, this can lead to narrowing of blood vessels, making them more likely to block from blood clots or fat breaking off from the lining of the blood vessel wall. Also weakens the walls. What is your another C? Chronic renal failure. Constant high blood pressure can damage small blood vessels in the kidneys, making it not to function properly. Yes, kapag nagkakaroon nga po tayo ng increase or uncontrolled blood pressure over time, pwedeng maapektuhan yung maliliit na ugat natin sa ating kidneys. Kaya naman, as a result, this can lead to chronic renal failure. Ano pa? Congestive heart failure. Pumping blood against the higher pressure in the vessels causes the heart muscles to thicken. Eventually, the heart muscles may have a hard time pumping enough blood to meet the physiologic needs of the body, leading to heart failure. Cardiac arrest. Yes, hypertension can lead to cardiac arrest if not treated. High blood pressure can cause CAD o yung ating tinatawag na coronary artery disease. Now, this damaged arteries cannot deliver enough oxygen to other parts of the body, eventually leading to heart attack. Cerebrovascular accident. Hypertension leads to atherosclerosis o yung narrowing
narrowing ng ating arteries and hardening of the large arteries. This, in turn, can lead to blockage of small blood vessels in the brain. It can also weaken the blood vessels in the brain, causing them to balloon and burst. Yes, may aneurysm na pwedeng mangyari due to weakened arteries. Now, I want you to remember this one. When you talk about the hypertension complication, para mas lalong solido ang pag-iintindi mo dito sa ating discussion, take a look at this. The excessive pressure on the artery walls caused by hypertension or high blood pressure can damage the blood vessels as well as organs in the body. The higher the blood pressure and the longer it goes uncontrolled, the greater the damage. With time, hypertension increases the risk of heart disease, kidney disease, and stroke. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more nursing educational videos. I'll be putting some of the video links, some of the playlists in regards to nursing sa icon button, and check out mo rin yung description box for other videos on my channel. You guys, we've been really growing, and I really want to grab this opportunity to thank you for supporting and sharing and loving my contents, especially my nursing educational contents. You have no idea how much this means to me. So maraming salamat po. Once again, you guys stay safe, and I'll see you again next time.
Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Help me grow my channel. You are already here. You might as well subscribe. Hashtag Team Cool Talk. Give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Let me know what you guys think. You put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check out the other playlists I created for you. I'll be putting the links on the description box. Just simply click this icon button right here. Let's connect. Follow me on all my other social media accounts. Everything is at GorillaPod. I'll see you again